What's up everyone, Aron here. You're watching Three Tails RV. In today's video we're going to be reviewing a product that will help to keep you warm during those cold winter months. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, we'd love to have you subscribe and become a part of the community. Today we're back with another product review of the Kemimoto heated socks that will help to keep you warm during those cold winter months. Stick around to the end where we have a giveaway where you can get yourself a free pair of these socks. So let's get to it. Here's the packaging on the heated socks. Let's go ahead and open this up. Inside.
Cleaning tips. Can easily be cleaned by hand or machine washed. It is recommended you use a laundry bag if cleaning via laundry machine. And air dried.
There's the socks. Sure. Just open those up. First impression, these are actually pretty thick. Really feel comfortable. They're soft. I mean, these are well stitched. You can see the stitching in it.
Now let's turn in one of the socks inside out so you can see the elements that go across your toes. And finally, let's go over the tech specs on these batteries. It's 3.7 volts, 2,200 milliamps per hour, or 8.1 watts per hour. Now if we turn the battery to its side, we have the selection button and the 3 different modes of low, medium, and high. The blue indicator lights make it easy to identify which settings you're currently on. At the high setting, it'll take 4 hours to discharge the batteries at 113 degrees. At medium, it'll take 4.5 to 5 hours at 95 degrees. At the low setting, it'll take 5 to 6 hours at 77 degrees. These batteries can easily be recharged via USB port. It will take approximately 5 hours to recharge them to a full state.
When I first put them on to feel them, they're really thick, and I thought, oh, this might be a little bulky, but it's not. They pulled all the way up to my knee. The batteries are on the outside of your legs, so you can't just clink them together when you walk. The wires are not pushing into my shins whatsoever. I can feel the warmth on the top side of my foot, and it's not a burning feeling, but it is a comfortable feeling. It does have a really nice elastic band. It's tight, but not so tight that it's going to bind and pinch. So there's an elastic band right in here to help hold the wire, so it's not just sliding around. And there's also one holding all of the heat right here, so the sock doesn't slide around and get the heating elements on different sides of your feet. It stays where it's supposed to stay. The toe doesn't have the excess stitching on the sides, where a lot of them do, and you get a lot of pressure points. So it's a really smooth, well-sewn sock right there. These are some socks I would definitely recommend you get, because you have a high, a low, and a medium setting, so you can change for however your feet are feeling at the time. So coming from a person that always has cold feet in the wintertime, I would recommend these. I really would.
If you're interested in having a set of these for yourself, there's a link for the giveaway in the description below. Or you can order them from an Amazon link that we have provided in the description below. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe for more RV related content. Or you can watch this video right here with more useful RV tips. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we'll see you on our next video.